look easy. Walk with your boys.
Yeah, no stress. I've been chillin' to the next. No. Yeah, I've been chillin' to the next. No stress. She tapped in cause the young nigga got her way. She like all the tattoos on my neck. She always let me down, write me good, never last.
Got me a little cat right now. We got the fam out. What we're doing? Just working this crankbait out here. Check back in if we hook up. We was out here early morning in the red crankbait. That right there on a crankbait. 20 inches. Didn't it get you?
That's cool.
Both of my cousins out here. And we got a catfish last night, striper. Yeah, there you go. What's up, y'all? We out here. You want to film for me? My beautiful niece is filming me today. Look, check this out. We have a striper that we caught, what, 3-4 hours ago? We're gonna season it and we're gonna throw it on the grill.
Figure out what's next. Sig 357 rip his vest.
Rub it in.
Strap 5 bands, never last. Nah, we ain't gonna do
Open it more. Yeah. Is that Mike?
Yeah.
Wanna fucking do a little double trouble action.
I'm still on my grind. You can do it. I believe in you. Do it.
I got a jailbreak. I'm a bell straight about that cell. Fuck a jail day. Whoa.
Oh
Did
shit.
you just touch it?
Did you just touch it? What's he doing? Tornado. Wait, I'm like, why are you
Right? This is always him.
I'm the nigga with the dog.
That's the
Finished product. Made a little fish taco out of that striper. Go ahead, cousin.
I'm not, but I am willing.
Tell me what you think though. Give me a play-by-play.
10 back.
1 to 10.
10.
10?
Well, I'd say 10.
10?
In my opinion.
Thank you. Hello, motherfuckers. With my cousins. My cousins, we out here.
Shit's bomb. That's bomb. Try that.
I'm pretty good. It's gonna be a little fishy, but not too much.
That's not bad.
What they finna do? Niggas talk a lot, you never supposed to say your next. Maybe I've been thugging in it, bitch, I can't be close to you. I'm about to do some shit the police said ain't cool to do. Gotta get that back.
We out here getting fucking tipsy and all that shit. You know me and Jay Nasty out here just doing the thing.
My finish move, he about to bleed to death, his body losing all its minerals.
Look at what the fuck, bro? That was like a third of that.
I don't need a tool. I use my thumb. You are a tool. You're a little girl.
Niggas right kinda slow. It be your own gang members tryna back door. It be your own gang members tryna back door. Gotta watch out for these niggas cause they ain't sure.
Grandpa. Papa. I'm fucked up.
Tripping niggas straight up out his pockets for that bankroll. OBN still the same nigga, never change. I've been chillin' to the next, no stress. She tapped in cause the young nigga got her way. She like all the tattoos on my neck. She always let me down.
We're about to give you a house tour, bro. Like we out here living good, bro. We got good old sink. Hey, you know what I mean? But look, shit, I'm drunk.
Waiting in the water for you. Where were you this whole fucking time, dude? We were waiting in the water for you. And not only that, Cindy said, yeah, you fucking took her pen.
No, I didn't. Hey, honestly, we don't
Where's that fucking? First of all, look, dude, where's that fucking tree?
You have one in your hand.
Fucking hell.
You have one.
This is not what we asked you for, though. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
together.
Wouldn't even talk to me, they wouldn't look my way. Now they on my dick, I be like, bitch, get on my damn face. I just caught a damn case, now I got a jailbreak. I'm a bail straight about that sale, fuck a jail day. Whoa. I ain't fucking with that bitch, cause that bitch hella
Little bass on a spinnerbait. Tell me what
Just
happened.
threw it in. He
Just
like,
threw it in and smacked it right away. I got way too drunk and I fell asleep and I caught a bass. Somebody's canned. Yes, sir.
She tapped in cause the young nigga got her way. She like all the tattoos on my neck. She always let me down, write me good, never relax. I've been thugging trying to figure out what's next. Sig, 357 rip his vest. Dumb bullets put a hole in his chest.
Masturbators por vida, homie.